Hello, today we'll be comparing portable espresso coffee maker electric self-heating battery powered versus Outin Nano portable electric espresso machine. Be sure to watch the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee it's Thai, brewing capacity is Thai, iced coffee brewing Thai, hot coffee brewing Thai, milk frozen Thai, and burst range controls Thai. Size portability, Outin's better. Water reservoir is Thai. Heating speed, Outin's better. Ease of use, Outin's better. Programmability is Thai. Cleaning is Thai. Footprint design, Outin's better. Build quality, Outin's better. Special features, Outin's better. Price, portable's better. Was best for Outin is better. Coffee quality, Outin is better. Durability, Outin is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Outin Nano portable electric espresso machine. The link to buy it is in the video description.